Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this episode, we will be learning how to enable pickup code on Bolt application. Pickup codes make it easier to meet your driver safely and securely, especially in crowded areas, so let's get started. First of all, launch the Bolt application on your Android or iPhone and ensure that you are logged into your account. Once you're inside the home page of Bolt, go ahead and tap on the menu button at the top left corner. From the expanded menu that pops up on the screen, click on your profile icon at the top. This will open up your profile section where you need to select Safety. Under Safety, tap on Pickup Code. Now, toggle on the button right next to Enable Pickup Code on the next page. You can go ahead and enable it for night trips only or for every time. And now, a unique code will be shared with the driver to confirm your pickup every time. Whenever you request a ride, the app will now display a pickup code. Share this code with your driver to confirm your identity safely. Upon arrival, provide the pickup code to your driver, and then only the correct driver can accept the code, ensuring the secure pickup. So that is how you enable the pickup code on Bolt, so that you can enjoy safer and more secure pickups, especially in busy areas. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.